Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? It's a startling statistic, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Today, I'm sharing the 5 steps I use to kickstart my own financial journey, and I'm excited to show you how you can do the same. Welcome to Investing Attitude Mindset, where we empower you to take back control of your finances. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps I personally use to get out of debt and start building wealth. Spoiler alert, step 5 may surprise you since you are already doing it. Congrats, but more on that later. Step number 1, track your expenses. Take the time to write down every expense from every credit card for the last 30 days. This simple exercise helped me realize how much money I was wasting on things that didn't add any value to my life. Remember, tracking your expenses is the first step to taking control of your finances. If your expenses are more than your income, then you are in the right place. Let's get your finances back on track. By completing step 1, you'll gain valuable insights into your spending habits and identify areas where you can cut back to save your hard earned money. Step number 2, list your debts. I want you to write down every single debt service bill that you have, including car loans, mortgages, personal loans, and credit cards. Seeing all of your debts laid out in front of you may be very shocking. It was for me, but it's an essential step towards financial freedom. The debt can add up fast. I know it can be overwhelming, but with the right mindset, you can eliminate it. Facing your debts head on is a courageous move that sets you apart from the majority of Americans struggling with debt. You are already on the path to success. Step number 3, eliminate unnecessary expenses. Take a hard look at your expenses and commit to cutting out anything you don't need or use. If you are drowning in credit card debt, it's time to prioritize your financial future over non essential expenses. Sacrifice is the currency of success. Cutting unnecessary expenses is a powerful way to free up extra cash that you can put towards paying off debt and building wealth. Leave a like below before step 4 and consider subscribing for more content like this. Step number 4, think about earning more. Look for opportunities to increase your income, whether it's selling unused items or leveraging your skills for side gigs. Transform your mindset to get creative about ways to boost your earning potential. This is the building earn phase. Commit to earning more money by utilizing skills you already possess. Earning more money is a key component of financial success. There is no ceiling. Don't limit yourself. Think outside the box and explore new income streams. Even one extra shift or overtime can compound and add value to your life. Remember earlier when I mentioned step 5? Well, here it is. Research YouTube videos like this one. YouTube is a treasure trove of personal finance resources that can help you on your journey to financial freedom. Make it a daily goal to watch just 10 minutes of your favorite YouTube channel's financial education content. That's what I committed to, and it completely changed my financial trajectory. With consistent learning, I managed to pay off my debt and adapt my lifestyle to withstand the challenges of inflation in the 2020s. Imagine yourself debt-free and in control of your finances. It's an incredible feeling, and it's within your reach. Start implementing these steps today and take the first steps towards financial freedom. Share your thoughts below on what steps you are taking to gain control of your money. If this is your first step towards owning your finances, leave a comment below with the date and affirm you will take control of your finances. Thanks for watching. Together, we can achieve further financial freedom.